Hello everyone, in front of me is Huawei Nova 12 SE, and let me show you how to block a number. First of all, open your phone dialer, then mark more icon and select blocked. And here you can set some blocking rules, so let's start with colon. To do it, mark call block rules, and here you can either block all incoming calls or unknown numbers. You can also block all private or withheld numbers. So this is how you can block phone calls, and with messages you've got one option only, so you can block messages from unknown numbers. Also, if you want to block some particular contact, let me just add some contact pretty quickly. So if you wish to block your contact, tap on more options, and here you will notice a block contact. So this is it, that will be all. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.